Here's a question for the U.S. Supreme Court. Should Amazon workers be paid for security line waits?
Contract warehouse workers who fill orders for Amazon.com say they are forced to spend nearly half an hour at the end of each shift waiting to pass through security checks. The checks are in place to ensure they aren't stealing from the online retailer, but the hourly workers say they're not being paid for the extra time and they want compensation. They argue the security measures are there solely for Amazon's benefit, guarding against theft and having nothing to do with workplace safety. Court filings tell us that Amazon and its staffing company argue the security line waits are no different than time spent walking to and from the workplace, which by law does not require compensation. While the additional pay for time spent in security screenings might not add up to much for individual employees, it adds up to billions of dollars for some of America's largest retailers, with more and more companies requiring employees to go through anti-theft security screenings after their shifts have ended.
The Supreme Court's decision could have major ramifications for America's retail industry. Apple, CVS Pharmacy, and JCPenney are among a number of other companies facing suits over similar allegations. Almost all of these cases, including about a dozen related suits against Amazon, have been placed on hold pending the Supreme Court's decision. With an estimated 76 million hourly workers in the U.S., this case could potentially redefine what any employer, regardless of what industry, can and cannot require of its employees once off the clock. Amanda House, One American News, Washington.